living beings on the earth have a symbiotic relationship. We all are depend on each other. Increasing human population demands more agricultural land, more residential land, and more recreational land. Obviously, it is a habitat loss for most of the organisms and a greatest threat to our ecosystem. Therefore, it is the need to conserve and protect our ecosystem and our planet Earth.
Biodiversity water. The word biodiversity is a combination of two words, biological and diversity. It refers to the variety of life on Earth. Water is required to support biodiversity. Without sufficient water, stresses on species increase global biodiversity losses. Biodiversity supports water and nutrient cycling in soil.
Rising of sea level, unstoppable wildfires, extreme heat waves, intense hurricanes, frequent storms, and severe downpours. These recent catastrophic events have destroyed so many habitats and have taken so many lives. These imbalances are all because of human-influenced climatic changes. Hello everyone, I am Sanchari, and in this World Environment Day, I want everyone to acknowledge the severity of climatic change and accept and act towards the betterment of this world. Remember, Mother Nature knows very well how to take revenge. Take care.
On World Environment Day, we pledge to preserve our planet's rich biodiversity. Let us collectively do whatever possible to ensure the flora and fauna with whom we share the earth thrive. Let us all join hands to leave an even better planet for the coming generation.
About deforestation. Forests are one of the most beautiful treasures given to us by our nature, and I'm shocked to know that they are decreasing at an alarming rate. So friends, let's pledge all together to save our earth, to save our wildlife, and to save ourselves. Let's green our earth once again.
Pollution is one of the major problems faced by humanity and natural environment. Pollution means blaming fault in natural equilibrium. Pollution influences the quality of life, even more than one can assume, which can't be observed by our open eyes. To deal with this problem, we must unite efforts. We must make a voice for unheard to make the earth pollution.
Natural disasters are not enough. Humans have contributed their own share of catastrophic disasters such as e-waste, nuclear waste, chemical spills, and whatnot. The greatest threat to the environment is the belief that someone else is going to save it for us, but that's not going to happen. So, on this World Environment Day, I would like to request all of you to stand up for nature and fight for the world that is green. Then only we will be able to live the environmental dream.
To keep you and your family safe during natural disaster, these safety tips can prevent injuries and make a difference in an emergency. First one is stay informed. Second one is keep emergency kits on hand. Third one is avoid unnecessary risk. And fourth one is have a plan for evacuation. And the final is it's better to go to safest area in case of emergency.
Our human health is directly affected by our environment. Whatever we do to our environment, directly or indirectly, we are doing it to ourselves. Pollutants reaches us through the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the water we drink. And it adversely affects our human life in both immediate and long-lasting ways.
Happy Environment Day. But at the same time, I want to request you to be more kind, to be more loving, to be more caring towards animals, as many of the species are already extinct and many are in the list of endangered species. The recent example being the recent death of pregnant elephant in Kerala. So I request you all to take a pledge today and to be more kind and caring towards animals. Thank you.
Wish you all a very happy World Environment Day. But this celebration is incomplete if we ignore the environmental history. It is about the concern and the protection of environment from all the destruction that human beings have caused to our Mother Nature. For example, the Chernobyl disaster, Bhopal gas tragedy, 9/11 war attack, Bible quotes, "The heavens are yours, the earth is yours, and everything that contains in it is also yours." सांसें हो रही है कम, चलो सब मिलकर पेड़ लगाए हम. Save our mother nature, save our earth.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we will talk about sustainable measures, how to conserve our environment. We can conserve our environment by practicing 3R formula, by adopting appropriate technology, spreading the awareness among the people, and by changing our lifestyle. So save nature, save life. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, पर्यावरण को बचाए रखने के लिए सबसे महत्वपूर्ण तरीका है वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, जिसकी शुरुआत हम अपने घर से ही कर सकते हैं। रसोई घर से निकले हुए कूड़े से खाद बनाकर हम अपने पेड़ पौधों में डाल सकते हैं। कूड़ेदान में कूड़ा फेंकने से पहले गीले और सूखे कूड़े को अलग अलग कर सकते हैं। ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन करके पेपर को बचा सकते हैं और इस प्रकार वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट से हम पर्यावरण को बचाए रखने के लिए बड़े से बड़ा योगदान दे सकते हैं।
Urban sprawl is widespread development outside city centers, usually on previously underdeveloped lands. It is a concern because it leads to increased dependence on automobiles, vehicles, and high energy and water use and doesn't support public transportation. It causes increased traffic, worsening of air and drinking water, and leaving people on high risk of illness.
सभी को पर्यावरण दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जीवन में जल बहुत है अनमोल, ऐ मानव तू इसमें प्रदूषण विष ना घोल। क्योंकि जल है तो कल है, वरना कठिन हर पल है। जल जीवन का आधार, बिन इसके सूना सब संसार। तो आओ सब मिलकर इसे प्रदूषण मुक्त बनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Transportation is backbone of global network as it is a system designed to move people and goods. But the environmental impact of transportation is significant as it is a major user of energy and burns most of world's petroleum and creates air pollution. So it is costing us our earth. So
happy World Environment Day to all. Sunlight, atmosphere, water, land, food, fuel for production, plants, animals, vegetation, crops, fields, forests, fresh air. Oh, my Mother Earth, you are so rich with your natural resources. My message on this World Environment Day is that we should consume them very, very judiciously. Depletion and overconsumption of the resources will definitely result in devastation. Mankind, it's high time now. Use, reuse, recycle to live happily ever after, evergreen. Thank you.